Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to sign out of Google Classroom. So let's have a look now. Open Google Classroom. If you are on the Google Classroom website, ensure you are logged in. Click on your profile picture or initial icon at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Sign Out or Sign Out of Google Account option. You might be asked to confirm the Sign Out action. If prompted, confirm that you want to sign out. Once confirmed, you will be signed out of your Google account, including Google Classroom and other Google services. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.